Hello, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at a 2016 Kia Soul with an automatic power rear entry wheelchair accessible ramp, stock number 24780. It's a beautiful color, it's like a bluish gunmetal gray, and with the push of a button, the rear wheelchair accessible ramp deploys. Now this particular vehicle is extra special because it has a power driver side transfer seat, which means you can enter this vehicle from your wheelchair and transfer from your wheelchair into the driver power transfer seat, and with a push of a button you're in the cockpit ready to go to take off. Now if you need some help, we do have hand controls that we can install. If you are not able to use your legs, you can drive this car with hand controls with your hands, so it's pretty awesome. And you can take along with your best buddy or your family member. You have somebody can ride shotgun with you and you can drive. Pretty cool stuff. I'm going to show you in a sped up fast motion how this works. Just pull in, transfer over into the driver transfer seat, and grab your control box here and push the button forward. Pretty simple stuff. Within a matter of minutes or seconds, you can transfer from your wheelchair into the driver transfer seat and be on your way. Enjoy your day and explore the world. How cool is this? Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. And we specialize in things like this, wheelchair accessible vehicles that are outside the box. They're not just normal minivans. We have crossovers and SUVs and pickup trucks and Suburbans, GMC Sierras and Yukons. This is just one of many, many types of vehicles we have here. You can see it's very simple to transfer to and from your wheelchair to the transfer seat and back and forth. Super simple. In a matter of seconds. I'm going to show you a close-up of the transfer again. So you can see, just pull in, just turn to the right ever so slightly. Maneuver your, now if you have an easy lock system, it makes it real easy to pull in and lock your wheelchair into place. The wheelchair has a thick screw that sticks at the bottom of it and it locks into the easy lock system, so it keeps it from moving around in transit. So a bolt basically comes down, hangs down from the bottom of the wheelchair and slides right into the easy lock system, which keeps it in place so you can take off without having to fumble with the straps. It does come with Q-strength straps, which are hand retractable straps that you attach to the wheelchair, but the easy lock system would make it so much easier so you can be on your way and enjoy your day quicker and easier. Here at Freedom Motors have been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. We offer nationwide delivery. We offer financing, up to 10-year financing, so you get payments, very affordable payments. This particular vehicle is only $29,995. It has 28,000 miles, 2016 model. We have a huge selection of vehicles starting from only $11,995 and ranging all the way up to around $80,000 for the new Suburbans and Yukons. So we have a huge selection and a vehicle for everyone's budget. This particular set, 28,000 miles, 2016 model, backup camera, push button, remote control, rear entry, wheelchair accessible ramp with a power driver side transfer seat. This is so cool. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Toll free. We're in Battle Creek, Michigan. Hablamos español también. We also speak Spanish fluently. We have our in-house free demonstrations. Give us a call if you have any questions, 1-800-625-6335, Freedom Motors USA. Check us out at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.